You mentioned earlier kasi na walang politika, walang kulay
Yes.
pagdating sa pagmamahala ng ating bansa. No? And right now, a lot of people are saying na ang PBBM, what's your assessment no, sa PBBM sa foreign policy? Sinasabi kasi nila it's too West-centric as compared naman to former PRRD's policy before na medyo geared towards China. But what's your assessment on
Right now, I'm in favor of the current foreign policy of the government, no? And especially yung mga moves ni Secretary Manalo, Secretary Chodoro, no? Kailangan nating paglaban yung ating bayan. We have to make a stand on that. And tinanong nga ako nito the other day Sabi, hindi ba daw ironic na yung posisyon ng gobyerno ngayon very similar sa posisyon ni Pinoy? No, and I said, alam mo, hindi yan ironic kasi nung time na yon, tama yon, at yung time na yon, tama pa rin yan. So it shouldn't be ironic just because isa tinulak ng isang Aquino at yung isa tinulak ng isang Marcos. Hindi siya dapat ironic. Nakikita dapat siya ano ba yung best for our country. Now, as much as sasabihin ko yan, uulitin ko rin na nobody wants war. No? Kasi yung mga iba, yung ginagawa na yan, magdudulot yan ng gera. But I don't agree. We can be firm, pwede tayong matibay sa posisyon natin, pero sigurado tayo na hindi tayo aabot sa gera, di ba? I don't even think China wants war with us either. The US also doesn't want war in this region either.
Yes.
Pero kailangan, kahit you're doing everything para hindi magkaroon ng gera, pwede ka pa rin maging matibay sa posisyon mo. And the other day, I think si Gretchen Ho, one of your colleagues, was there in Zambales.
Yeah,
Atin ito.
Oo. So I was a guest in in the big story. And habang kinakausap siya doon while she was there, and she was covering itong mga maliliit na bangka. No? Maliliit na bangka at the West Philippine Sea. And of course, makikita mo sa malayo yung malalaking ships ng China. Alam mo, honestly ako, it reminded me of people power.
Yeah.
Yun yung naalala ko Kasi, sipin mo itong mga fishermen na ang lilit itong mga bangka nila, siguro kung mahipan lang yan ng mali, baka tumaob sila.
Yes.
And yet, hindi sila natatakot na harapin yung mga barko ng China. I mean, yan yung tapang na kailangan natin ngayon, di ba? And we need to support our fishermen, we need to support our military, para klaro na yung buong bayan natin, suportado yung ating paninindigan dito sa ating teritoryo.